Hey traders, welcome back to the Discount Trader. In today's video, we're breaking down a clean bearish setup using pure SMC concepts. I'll show you exactly how the market delivered a textbook sell opportunity, from the break of structure to the order block, and finally into sell-side liquidity. As we start analyzing the chart, the first thing we notice is a strong bearish break of structure. Price was initially moving sideways, building a range. But once sellers stepped in, the market clearly broke below previous lows. This bearish BOS tells us two key things. 1. Market direction is shifting downward. 2. Sellers are now in control of the narrative. Whenever we see a clean BOS like this, it sets the foundation for the next step, looking for the institutional reference point that caused this move. After the break of structure, our next job is to identify the bearish order block responsible for pushing the market down. Right here, we see the last bullish candle before the impulsive sell-off. This is our bearish order block, and it becomes a premium zone where institutions likely place large sell orders. Why is this important? Because price loves to return to the order block before continuing the trend. This gives us a high probability entry area instead of chasing the market. Before price returns to the order block, it often performs an important move known as inducement. In this chart, you can see price creating multiple small highs, building liquidity just below our order block. Retail traders think the trend is reversing, but in reality, this is a trap, an inducement. Inducement is designed to pull in early buyers, generate liquidity for smart money, fuel the move back into the order block. When inducement forms perfectly like this, it increases the probability that price will revisit the order block and react strongly. Next, we look at our final major target area, the sell-side liquidity, marked at the bottom of the chart. This level represents previous lows, stop losses, liquidity pools waiting to be captured. Institutions target liquidity, not random price levels. So once price taps into the order block and continues bearish, the most logical destination becomes the sell-side liquidity below. The moment sellers take over, we execute the trade. Our take-profit target is clear: the sell-side liquidity level at the bottom. This gives us a clean, high risk and reward trade setup because we are selling from premium pricing. We have inducement fueling the move. Market structure is bearish. Target is perfectly defined by sell-side liquidity. As price drives down, it efficiently clears the sell-side liquidity, completing the model. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to like the video and follow for more high-quality SMC trading setups.